I want you to join me soon. Based of say when we made that work money as a council house, but I never pay finish. You understand? I not buy in cash. Based as a family man, we are getting and we are there where 5-bedroom flats. Ibizugbe Wallo now the name of Sego up. You can see this is the backyard, Bewe for even when you have 2 rooms where we do. Or the name of saying a campus, maybe that's understand. See my barbecue over there, So, at the backyard be this. When I walk, that my pay for where that's one I pay. But my deposit is there without where I go in. See my train station over there. So my people were told that were I believe you were, thanks to all presenters, including Ibizugbe. Not where our bet you are Sony. But my saga where for now my kai where for an one. There walk on train station. Go see my former house over there, So thanks to Council Lameri, not that a train station in here that is Patron train station, This is my new chamber, 5-bedroom flats. While we go there, according to Una go where contacted Ibizugbe on our for sale, we are going on for sale. Oh, I hear Makpologbe for sale. You don't have for sale, so we are going to do yeah, this is my new private residence in France. Understand? So we are getting flat in one or we council. This is council house. This is council house. Understand? So that's one the maintenance. Domumu that ulege mata go get as a bisha. How person go just carry waiting person labor for just like that. But at the time, so that is where Ogasoni tried to remaro, but Ozege realize a mistake. But until they realize a mistake, obite like bene, understand? Obite like bene. The honor where Irima Kobe and many others in Sunuyi, a sote buyen where my brother Robbie Madino Roda where a situation where even a year. Even if you're composing one, it might believe. I understand, it might believe, but all what I know, Viemienne, let's a desokoye, you should go and follow you, Yagualog, society compose, or what boy in a Hayana do have your, we don't view, but we don't know anything. But it's not easy to compose a music. I am a musician, so it's not easy. So thank God Almighty where ni bunwe lo enwa yan go egun but so ni opa no evano we kedo ari a live video do ta we ojane ovione and say where ave man obumbu where you even akobebe sekeno yo we ri yin maybe yan pay the bigs we how based on say where maybe we own we go dey gbe ari we ni o Ruda uheni we cut down one and not pay, understand? Maybe you're not that on any Calibian and when you do international on it. Sonny, are my name media, if you do not read media, Asani Magbe, my dies, we don't look face so. I'm better with you, I'm went for any bros. I walk bo, I say, not by soon. Even when we were you send Bonnie, do Kissen or do Big Ben or do Kisugino, or the name of say, where Rufunia, what do you bo where she rufu, where she cut on my brother? Where what do you bo where she rufunu with butter? But I will urge all my brothers and sisters who know say yes, Otimani we and Munene, you should forgive. Let's move on. Thanks to media. No worry, well, yes. Don't try. If you try, hey boy, if you pull hand, I will fear for. Understand? I will fear. So thanks to everybody. Now we going and later the day, Ibizugbe a little contribution. Near here by Ruda where this is my new flat. Let me go to my upstairs. So thank you for coming. Studio Ibizugbe, 5-bedroom flats. See one flat here, see my flat over here. Oh God, oh God. Yes, my people. What are you getting? This is the studio where Baba belongs. Now, solid 5-bedroom duplex, 2 parlor. That is how we do. So wait for the day of the opening. Now see now, celebrate me so bad. So I make it one well. You understand? So thank you for watching. May God Almighty bless you. I believe. Let's see how many. We have about 3 hours 30 minutes now for this small walk where we walk through. My day with you. May God Almighty bless you. Thank you for watching. I bet more than join me later today. Then we do the reality because why? This is our new achievement. You know they brag, you know they make noise, you know they collect money for fans. That means say that make fans not bless us. But no, we can't put the pleasure for their body where we not say not be their send us. The way some of our brothers, our sisters do them. And I'm here with today, the thing say me so it be. And I don't care bear way, they continue ask. Without you don't fish. You have to know how to fish so that you're asking just to get them and fish your own. But by the time you be a merry man, you will remain a lazy man. Who tells you know? Is it baby dolly now? This is a hustling man when I be. One love my people. We don't do a big wedding job, you know. Only small. Please share the video. Thank you for watching. Come and see what we are doing since morning. You can see. My wife is tired because why you see here. She's not cleaning this is the network of the thing, you know. That is how we do, you know. If you know, we are begging, we are well, yes. Even now, not 3 days now, and I are dry money. If me, I don't came here, oh God. So, you will not be seeing what Ghewi we not boom say. Que masi na yo ga dry na ba na ado sie yekpo ma ya sie ko abi no tima no rebe fa si sie ko osume me. That is how we do. This I tia fie be UK I be yere we ya won ebodi ga ti be fie be France be I be yere. That is how we do, bro. So at the bedroom, so this is the kitchen door over there. Now you can see the flat over there. This is 6-bedroom flat. But now 5-bedroom now be the ultimate. See where we did since see Tyro there, see train station as I said before. I want to Ibizugbe with the yaga want Ibizugbe ni hino yari. I could ya work here. Very more so you can see the tarot over there. This is about Mudia Nuru does that lady. Understand? Very close to Rocard, close to city, close to express. Now what's true one here? You come out for train where they go Florac. This is about 3 stop to Florac. Florac Drabmon. You know? 3 stop to Florac, you know. You understand? That is how we do. So this is train station. 15 minutes you will be in the city. As it's Painton train station over there. You know? That is Penton train station over there. Direction Florac, Dramon. That is train station to Florac. That is how we do. You can see my building. So Ivana will rate for sale. We are going to connection. Maybe also Kokbo or Sike City or Sike Town. Understand? We are going to connection here. Contact Ibizugbe. I will take you straight direct to La Mairie de Senon. So we are going to they took a pay 1 year rent before they grant you for billing. They will put on a tie, you know. Tie now business where since morning this is my job. Anywhere you see they make sure like this now where the pipe, the gutter, the drillage. You understand? Very soon I am about 2 points in they'll come and do and be. So you can see my flat over there. This is my boss. I do paint it, but do shine and see. Understand? Address. There you are. It's my address. I do dale. You know. My isire, my way the maintenance. That was when I do kia, man. But we go what we do, man. You see me here. We go what you see, you know. I do we paint here. Understand? This one I say make I buy and journal. They say no. The person never buy. Understand? But now one person, now one family, but the person still there alive. Say make I buy and journal. So you see, don't worry. I'll buy everything journal very soon. Yeah, man. Make the person first buy first. So we have here twins here. Understand? According to La Mairie information, we twins here and I might buy, not back buy. So that is the real flat, you understand? We are not in Lana, you know, the big flower now. This is my compound. But again, we are not quite raw. Yeah, could do our work, you understand? This is the first parlor. As you enter, you go jump big parlor. See, I'm not sure my parlor. See, I go see my backyard outside. Like the man I'm going, I would donation. See, I can imagine would donation, you know. That is how we do. Yes, so I totally love it. I do follow. Cash, you know. Cash. Cash. My decoin, get cash. Y'a ne La Mairie, y'a ne cancel this, no. This is my master bedroom. Understand? But studio do. I have more studio. If you want to buy this one, you want to buy yourself. This one a very big land. My back don't lie. See, if you want to buy now, this one are 2-bedroom flats. Understand? This one are 2-bedroom flats. You know. Who are there connecting? Take it to La Mairie de Senon. This is the compound. Where you understand? Oh, France, this is Borosiri. Now, me I swear who any bunny. If you are Gary, do VL one guy. I mean, I attend Ayamu. Let me shade it. Let me shade it. Let me shade it. In a year, V9 but I tapoli na ya will be the more. I will come and pour another one. Very soon, you're running away. As I say, don't tell now. Where they live on, they only do the maintenance inside, do the painting, and put on for sale. I quite spread here. Well, Bokba me Yahweh now. You know, easy selling, you know. See, oh, I'm walking Laledi, or Giamune. I will wanna. I will we are Biok Baba, you know. Thank God the world one time I'm ever in Biok Baba. Ramen we need the up baba. Man, beer you wear, man. Yes, better. Water, bomb. A bomb, shut up, pal. Better. The coin. This one are for free. Because I have a visitor. This for visitor room. Better. Visitor room. Understand? Your window, okay, now where we do. See your window. Wakoya, yare, oh. You know, Tovela, you know. Can see my flat over there. Oh, yeah, go ahead. When I was amazing, we are doing the reality of environmental sanitizer. So, if you want to buy, call me. I will give you information. Without you will never stress yourself. Or France, Bordeaux City, I will not wear vino. I will not go here. I will not make chateau. I am any other vino. Where our penal be with the Eric Concom. Here, coffee there, feed the Viera. Technology. Monsieur, I have a diamond idea. If you see, if you only have one in a tin of what. Or you get that understand that place. So that is how we do. This is the flat. This is for the area in the British. So you have only more man you can. Need you can as a rebel. You won't already have a yard. You know already have a woman. You can have born in. Be away, man. Where we going, man? You will be here. Understand? You came out here, I know. You to tap you. When I got down the table, when one are here, but I don't win on it, because this is for barbecue. Oh God, do you see it? Do you see it? This is for barbecue, okay? Oh Lord, do zero go kwa. You see, yeah, Kodoa work here, but my city, we never pack, we never open the house. At the time, so now maintenance now with this. So this for barbecue. Yeah, what serve man? Where serve like man? Oh God, not be my fault too. I walk towards it. I have muscle to make sure say well yes. Okay, this is the parlor. You understand? My do akuma yege. So why we don't do better for. We maintenance, we cleaning, we do wire fair. Yeah, let's go to my studio. Here, you want my son way. This is my studio. Okay. This is studio. We don't know. You know. Okay, room away, you know. Yeah. You can see. Yes. This is my studio. Hey, on be can Ibizugbe be mede. So I want when I for no zedi be we for akere. Mo na oni ariwo. Me so me awazo boy when I so ikadogbe we for here. Oh, can we go bob me zubo na see. There's another flat over here. When BC yes. E man makana see. Are you like that? Huh? Where? There? This is our job, you know. Mayama hack baby yoko wale. Only man, and I'm our baule guitar. You understand? Hello. Where is the mapist? Where is the mapisto? Yeah, this is the mapisto. Yes. I'm a soon. I have to. Then this is another flat. You know, you do more understand. Eh? You know, this is another flat. You know. So, what? Eh? Hey, oh, sorry. Was I get you in there? Was I get you in there? I'm on here. Better. You go, man, win on here. I'm on do here. Yeah, yes. But this is the. So, later the day, we will come and do the reality of opening the house. Like here. You understand? This is my step. Oh, wow, duplex. God. This is our job. Now, yeah. Oh, you might do above. I have sent my feel with you. Hey, whatsoever neighborhood, how I mean. You understand? It's my job. Oh, in my area, wow. We market bad here, we put to key. Understand? So by the time I started, me even on here. Understand? I was saying, I throw away small for you. I did my way all year. Understand? I have to hold here. So that may you come and see the reality. Waiting you know Ibizugbe for. Waiting we carry on social media before we begin to talk about adulteries. We have mission. We have mission. Yes. Now, my people, may God Almighty bless you all according to the work the Ibizugbe Murisi. Thank you for watching. Gift audio. God Almighty bless you. As until they push my video up, I saw God Almighty will push you and blessing to now table. You know, don't go far from one love.